Assalamu alaikum बच्चों. Today we are going to learn animals and their homes. जानवर और उनकी रहने की जगह. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Bear lives in cave. Bear lives in cave. Spider lives in web. Spider lives in web. Lion lives in den. Lion lives in den. Horse lives in stable. Horse lives in stable. Bee lives in hive. Bee lives in hive. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. Dove lives in dovecote. Dove lives in dovecote. Crocodile lives in nest. Crocodile lives in nest. Cow lives in shed. Cow lives in shed. Many birds lives in cage. Many birds lives in cage. Ant lives in ant hill. Ant lives in ant hill. Dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Rabbit lives in burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. Pig lives in pigsty. Pig lives in pigsty. Pig lives in pigsty. Mouse lives in hole. Mouse lives in hole.